1. Begin with feet shoulder width apart and knees slightly bent. 2. Simultaneously bring the left arm and right knee upward. 3. Alternate sides and repeat for reps. Running is the way in which people or animals travel quickly on their feet. It is a method of traveling on land. It is different to walking in that both feet are regularly off the ground at the same time. Different terms are used to refer to running according to the speed. Jogging is slow, and sprinting is running fast. Sumo Squat, a variation of the back squat where the feet are placed slightly wider than shoulder width apart and the feet pointed outwards. Box Squat, at the bottom of the motion the squatter will sit down on a bench or other type of support then rise again. Begin with legs shoulder width apart and place hands on the floor in a push-up position under the shoulders. 1. Kick legs back and lower stomach and thighs to touch the floor. 2. Push from this position while simultaneously bringing knees to the chest and planting feet on the ground. 3. Extend upward and jump from this position, extending arms upwards returning to beginning position. 5. Repeat for reps. A squat is a strength exercise in which the trainee lowers their hips from a standing position and then stands back up. During the descent of a squat, the hip and knee joints flex while the ankle joint dorsiflexes. Conversely, the hip and knee joints extend and the ankle joint plantar flexes when standing up. Starting in push-up position, with hands under shoulders and legs extended behind you. 1. Bring knee of the left leg upward towards the chest. When leg is fully contracted under the body, extend the left leg while contracted the right leg in quick 3. Succession. 4. Repeat for reps. A squat is a strength exercise in which the trainee lowers their hips from a standing position and then stands back up. During the descent of a squat, the hip and knee joints flex while the ankle joint dorsiflexes. Conversely, the hip and knee joints extend and the ankle joint plantar flexes when standing up. Starting with feet close together and arms at the side, slightly bend the knees. 1. Jump while raising the hands and land with feet slightly outside of shoulder width. 2. Jump again to return to the starting position. 3. Repeat for reps.